Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Chownow local food ordering app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Chownow is a local food ordering app designed to help users support nearby restaurants by ordering directly, without high commissions or hidden fees. Available on both iOS and Android, the app connects you to a wide selection of local eateries for takeout and delivery. Unlike other delivery services, Chownow emphasizes helping small businesses keep more of their earnings while giving customers affordable food delivery options. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its easy-to-navigate interface, quick order customization, and direct communication with restaurants. The app provides real-time order tracking, restaurant loyalty programs, and secure payment options, making it a convenient choice for local dining. It also allows restaurants to create branded ordering pages, ensuring a more personal experience. However, there are some drawbacks. Chownow's delivery coverage can be limited compared to larger apps like DoorDash or Uber Eats. Some users also mention that menu updates or availability can occasionally lag behind restaurant changes. Additionally, since the focus is on local eateries, options may vary based on your location. In summary, the Chownow app may be worth using if you want to support local restaurants, avoid inflated delivery prices, and enjoy a smooth ordering experience. However, if you prefer a wide range of chain restaurants or nationwide delivery, it might not fully replace other food apps for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.